Hey everybody, I'm back, and as you can see I'm moved and mostly good to go. Today I'm going to do a video, not in sous vide, although I guess you could have considered boiling water sous vide, but anyway, I'm going to do the world's greatest mashed potatoes. Everyone always asks me all the time what my mashed potato recipe is, and since it's Thanksgiving, what's a better time to do that than show you how to do it now? I know it's probably too late, but you know, maybe for next year you can practice for a whole year and you might be able to get those good as mine. So anyway, what you need to get started are the potatoes. Get about 3 to 5 pounds of Yukon Gold potatoes. No other potato will really work as well as these. I don't know if because they're less starchy or what, but they have the best flavor for this mashed potato recipe. In addition to that, you're going to need a little bit of heavy whipping cream, some butter, and a block of full fat, of course, Philadelphia cream cheese. These are not your everyday mashed potatoes. In addition to that, you're going to need a boiling pot of water, some salt, potato masher of some sort, potato peeler. First thing you want to do is get your water started boiling. I don't know if you can see way in the background, but I got my turkeys over there sous videing away, so I guess this technically could be considered a sous vide video. Regardless, first thing you want to do, get your water boiling. Next thing you want to do, peel all your potatoes. Okay, got my potatoes peeled, and the next step is to quarter them, which basically means you cut them in half, and you cut them in half again. That's it. Do that for all your potatoes, and go ahead and dump them in the boiling water for, I don't know, 15 to 20 minutes, or until you can easily get a fork and just poke them right through. Okay, we're good. We can put our fork through them. Next thing you want to do is strain these out, remove all the water, obviously. Okay, so we let our potatoes cool for, you know, a minute or two. You want them to still be hot so that when you put the butter and cheese and milk in them, that they all melt together. Add some cream. Like half of this little cup-sized bottle should do the trick. See here. Slowly, steadily mash them up. Next thing you want to do, add the butter. Just throw it in. You want your milk to be cold as well, so make sure you keep that in the refrigerator during this whole process. It just comes out better if it's cold. So here we got all this going on now. Okay, for the last step, we just add the cream cheese. Not sure what happened to my mic there, but it kind of screwed up. So anyway, add the whole block and continue to incorporate that into the potatoes. This recipe, like I said, is best for 3 to 5 pounds. Probably want to go more towards the 5-pound end of the spectrum here. But you would think it would taste like cream cheese, but it actually winds up not. So continue to mix these up, mash them good as you can, and that's that. If you're using unsalted butter like I am, you're definitely going to want to add some salt, so keep that handy too. Add a nice pinch of salt. Potatoes taste great with salt. But yeah, give them a good mash. Okay, so overall, just mash them up until they're, you know, smooth. Pinch of salt, half a stick of butter, stick of cream cheese. And this works best for 5 pounds of potatoes, so keep that in mind. And some heavy cream as well. Definitely helps make them really, 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 really tasty. So anyway, thanks for watching my quick video.